Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will create this diamond bracelet. We will control the geometry, both the geometry of the bracelet and of the diamond. But for the geometry of the diamond I will refer to my previous tutorial that you find here. If you want to change at the end of the definition, you can change the shape of the bracelet. You can change the number of the diamond on the bracelet in both directions. And you can still move the shape of the diamond. So if you want a diamond with 9 principal phases, you can do it, only moving this slider. So at the end we will have something like this. This will be our result. If you enjoyed the video and you want that I still continue to create this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel and like the videos. Good work! Now we are going to take our geometry, our diamond that was made by surface, and create mesh. We flatten this mesh so the result is a list of mesh without the hierarchy. Now we join our mesh, join this, and now we have one mesh. Now this is our mesh. Create a bounding box to contain the geometry, and for the moment we are okay here. After we will make some little adjustment, changing. So we have this box. We bring it next to our boxes. Okay. Now we operate the morphing operation. So transform, morph, box morph. So we are going to put the geometry that are inside the bounding box, this bounding box, inside all these boxes. So we follow the extraction of the component on the left side of the component. So base geometry, which geometry we want to morph over this bracelet? We want to morph our mesh, join it. So this is my geometry. A reference box, that is my bounding box, and target box, that are my boxes that we find before. Okay. This is perfectly what we wanted. Now, which is our problem now? Now our problem is this. You can see that I don't want the diamond to touch each other. How can we manage this kind of problem? It's quite easy. We change the referring box. So we go back to the diamond. We have this box, and this is our referring box. But we can also work with this box. So we can, for example, scale, and we can also move. So first of all, we scale the bounding box, referring to the center of the geometry. To referring to the center, we have to create a volume component who evaluate the center of the box. So we link the center of the box to the center of the scale, so it will scale referring to the center, but we have to change the factor. The default factor is 0.5, so we have to put something more, because we have to create space between the diamonds. Okay, 1.1, yes, 1.1, and now we have to move this box vertically, because some part of the diamond have to be inside the silver. So we take this one, we move in Z direction of intersection amount between, we can call it intersection amount between diamond and the silver. Okay, is moving in the wrong direction, I think. Let's see. Yes, it's moving down. I want to move up. To move up, I change the value. There's something not correct. I amplify this value to see how it works. So I put 1.1. I put 1.1. Yes. It's moving down. It's moving down. So I delete this and connect directly. Okay. Now this I disable the preview of these things. Now I have only the box. I have to increase the value to 3. Okay, this part will be inside the silver, because I am going to morph only the geometry, but referring to this box. So what is on this box, inside this box, will be inside the boxes on my surface. So I give this box as referral box. And what happens if I see is that this part of the diamond is inside the geometry of the bracelet, and this is exactly what I want it to be. Okay, so and also because of the scale we have a distance between diamond. Now I want only, I'm not going to show the Blu-ray part because it is very easy, it's very basilar. But now what I want to do is only to display with a custom preview to create a color for the diamond, a color for the silver. So this geometry is diamond, and we give with a peak color component. We give a different color, only to only to show differently, only to let you understand exactly where the geometry is. So we have to disable preview of this part. We have to take this part we create previously, revolve the surface. That was the part who let us to create the silver part. This is, and it should be colored of gray. Okay. Basically, this is our result. If we want the diamond to be more inside the silver, it's very easy. We go back to the intersection amount and we increase it. You can see diamond is more inside the bracelet. We can now, if you want to see the geometry very well, you can increase the quality here, and otherwise you can use V-Ray to render, or you can also bake that geometry in Rhino. We should create a Rhino 2 level, but I won't do it for the moment. So if we disable preview here, we see what happened. Disable preview completely, and this is our results in Rhino. So you see a lot of diamond that are inside this part, this center part, and we made it in a very few minutes.